G'day everyone, this is Aussie Shooter and I'm back again to YouTube, and I'm really sorry I've had such a lengthy break, and I know some of you are having major withdrawals from not seeing me on YouTube for a while, but anyway, I'm back again and here I am with another video, and I've been quite busy actually. I've been doing a little bit of hunting with my friends, doing a lot of family things, and just recently been lucky enough to go on a great holiday with the family. Went to New Caledonia, which was fantastic, and I'm making this video as just a special for you guys who are interested in airsoft. And I know one of my airsoft videos that I made a long time ago is quite popular, and thank you for those guys who have made the video as popular as it is. So anyway, New Caledonia, wow, what a fantastic place, brilliant, very nice, I guess swimming, snorkeling, scuba diving, all that stuff. Water sports are excellent. I was only fortunate enough to be there for a day, but during that day I did try to pack in as much as I could. Went to a hobby shop where they sell RC cars and helicopters and those sort of things. It wasn't a very big shop, but lo and behold, on the wall is a big display of airsoft and great rifles, awesome rifles, absolutely a real buzz actually to get my hands on them and just muck around with them for a bit. Fantastically constructed and realistic in every way. So yeah, airsoft is very big in New Caledonia, perfectly legal. As long as you're over 18, it's no big deal, and it's just another toy inside a a hobby shop, as it probably should be here in Australia, but it's not at the moment. Also, had the pleasure of going to a sports shop, and went to a sports shop where you would ordinarily see soccer balls, tennis gear, shoes, sports clothing, that sort of thing being sold. And right inside the sports shop is the armory, and you can buy firearms, you can buy pepper spray, no worries. As long as you are over 18 and you've got a license, it's no problem. So pepper spray for self-defense, perfectly legal and available in New Caledonia. Firearms, all types of firearms with the exception of military style semi-automatic firearms, but semi-automatic shotguns and also other types of firearms are perfectly legal, perfectly available, and inside a sports shop right in the middle of town. So it's no problem in New Caledonia. So I had a really great time, guys. Airsoft, fantastic in New Caledonia. So for all you guys that are into airsoft, as you can see, there are other countries where it's absolutely no big deal. It is perfectly legal, and it's not, I guess, a taboo thing like it is here in Australia. So anyway, I've filmed a little bit of a short video while I was there. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film a lot, so I do apologise for that. But whatever I did, here it is, and I'm Aussie Shooter signing out, and I'll catch you later. G'day everyone, Aussie Shooter here again, and we're in New Caledonia, French New Caledonia, and here I have with me some really nice airsoft guns. As you can see, all the excellent airsoft rifles here, stuff that we don't have available in Australia. But it's excellent, and I'll tell you, they feel unreal. This stuff is just awesome, and I'm really spewing about it because this would be really nice to have in Australia. It's a sport that we really need to get legalised over there. So anyway guys, I'll just Shooter signing out, and I'll see you later.